Hi friends, glad to see you. The one who thinks to achieve will read the book and the achiever will be in the book. To me, these two lines speak volume of matters about the power of reading habits. There are only two ways to know a thing. The one is you can ask someone who knows about it. The other is to read the book and know. Friends, if you look at the history of great people in the world, you can notice two peculiar things in their life. That they had a great ambition in their life and which is followed by a lifetime reading habits. To emphasize the importance of reading, I will tell you a short story. 300 years ago, there lived a woman called Mary Nix Jones in England. She had a son. When the son was 3 years old, she lost her husband. And so she dedicated her entire life for upbringing the child. The child was so cute and curious. He was always asking questions to his mother. The mother was so kind with the child and tirelessly answering all the questions being asked by her son. Friends, you must remember one thing always in your life, that the mother's love for a child is unique and it can never be compared with anyone's love. Her son, little William Jones, came telling, "Mother, I want to know everything. I want to know everything in this world." And asked her, "Mother, how does the rain fall and where does all the rainwater goes?" In the beginning, she answered all the questions. And when he was able to read and write, she advised him to look into the books for answers which he wished to know. But he did not mind. He went on asking questions one after another. Yet, in another occasion, he has come and asked his mother, "Mother, I want to know everything in this world." Then she said, "My son, look, you will never be able to know everything in the world. But at the same time, if you read books, you will know many things." And thereafter, her son never asked any questions. He went on reading his books and cleared his doubt. This is how he has improved his reading ability. And it is said that in the end of his life, he knew 40 languages. He was able to write and speak in 40 languages. This is how he became the world famous philologist and linguistic prodigy. Friends, Swami Vivekananda says emphatically about the reading habits. A graduate of yesterday who fails to read today will become an illiterate tomorrow. If you read the biography of late Miss Jayalalitha, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, it reads, though she has given up her studies for acting in the movie, but she never stopped reading books. And this is how she acquired the command of language in English. Friends, if you know the secret that reading gives you power and encouragement, then we can also achieve so many things in our life. Thank you so much.